Hey yo, what's up, peace and bruh. Hey yo, what's up, peeps and
Dweam.
Cyber Squad? Today I'm gonna play randomizer with Shiro and my boyfriend Raptor. Say hi.
Dream says hi.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm George then. Even though I'm already am.
Why did you kill me?
Okay, on my screen I'm lagging a bit. Ow. Oh.
How exactly? Did you live?
Hi. My thing. My game is lagging. Oh no. Good.
Where are you?
There we go.
Stop for a second. Stop for a second. Stop. Don't shoot me yet for a second. Don't shoot me for a second. Back over.
How big is that blast? It's so big.
Inserts Dream Mind speed run music. And I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck at the sewers. I can't get out.
Hi.
Me?
Stop. Let me.
I'm stuck at the sewers. I
You know
can't
that
get
gun
out.
has infinite ammo.
Okay,
There's
there
no
you
need to reload.
Gun that has. What the? Well, me and Shiro kill ourselves again.
Oh.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
You missed.
Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, yeah. Trial, bruh. Trial. Hoi, Dream! Oh, wow, you both are teaming up on me? Just wow.
Wait, we are?
Yeah, you two are chasing me!
Give me your diamonds so I can suck on them. Diamonds.
Ah, double kill! Take that, that was my plan all along. Big brain moment, bruh. Big brain.
That scared me.
Shiro is blocking.
You know, yep, I deserve that.
Come on. Can I? There we go. Hi. What? I don't know what I'm.
Oh no, my game lag. Oh no. Ow. What the?
Where are you?
Hoi! Hey! Hey!
Hi.
Can we stop killing ourselves, please?
I just got up here.
Come on. What am I doing?
Oh, Raptor, am I loading?
Listen, it's very hard to tell if you're reloading. Like seriously, it's
What the?
really
No, no,
difficult
no, no,
to
no,
tell.
no, no, Nani.
That's okay, that boy. I'm reloading.
Oh no.
Hey. You're reloading. And why do I keep on voice cracking? What am I, the voice cracker? Bro, what is that part?
What is this?
Doing?
What? Okay, what kind of gun is this, bruh? What is this?
Oh no, Oh, there we go.
That's important.
I'm gone. I'm like gone. Lol.
Imagine we do Dream versus Manhunters.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, true.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Raptor will be the speedrunner because yeah, he's Dream. Duh. Come back here, Dream. Come back, Dream.
Can you get a kill for once?
Dream.
Come back here. Kill for once.
Okay, what the? Okay, you amateurs.
Bro, I am moving. Never mind, I'm dead.